Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I am 5678, and on this channel I pretty much just make any type of video I feel like making. And today I am going to be doing a wig review on a Sensational synthetic half wig. I did mention this wig in my last video here, go watch it if you didn't. But I've been wearing this wig a little over a month now, and I'm here to just give you guys a realistic, really real review. As you can see, I have my leave out here, which blends really well. I have natural 4C hair, and I got the color B2. I got the color B2, and or is it 2B? B2? 2B? I don't know. 2B. Well, anyways, I got the color 2, and I've pretty much just been wearing it daily. Now, when I do come home, I take it off. I haven't put any heat on it. I didn't curl it. I didn't do anything to this hair. I also wore this same hair to Puerto Rico, and I was able to go on a trip. I went in the water. It was a whole thing. It was a whole thing, and it was amazing. I looked great. The hair was good. It was easy to manage. I really love it. Now, when it comes to maintaining synthetic hair, what I've learned is that it's all about knowing how to detangle it. So when it comes to detangling, you have to use oil. Oil sheen is the best, but I don't have any, so I've been using this heat protectant, and you just spray it section by section, lather it in, and it makes wonders, I promise. You know, rub it in a little bit and then use your brush to detangle it, and the curls come right back. They're bouncy, there's a lot of volume. It just looks really good, and I love to see like women wearing it. Every time I see it, I'm able to peep it, and I'm like, okay girl. Now, when I first got this hair, it was very curly, had a lot of volume, and now it still has a lot of volume, but it doesn't have as many curls, which is fine with me because I like the hair regardless. So I'm gonna brush it out so I can kind of show you guys like what it's looking like. This is the kind of brush I use, and what I like to do is I like to get little sections, and when oh wow, this is hair on it. And then when I brush it, I like to actually brush it up, like in a little flip. And then when I do that, it'll kind of curl itself. If I want to wear it like really flat, I'll just brush it so it'll, you know, lay a little flatter. But for the most part, that's pretty much all that I do to this hair. Now, because it is a bit old, I do notice when it gets to a certain point, you do have to start like cutting the ends, you know, just so it can stay looking okay. The older it gets, the more it matches my texture of hair. So I don't mind when the curls drop. Now, some people prefer the curls, but I'm okay with it either way. So my review is I will give this half wig a 9 out of 10. And the reason I say 9 is because I have a very small head, and I just don't feel like it gets tight enough. Even with the drawstrings and the combs, which is fine because I just, you know, don't have it super tight on there. But it's a pretty big wig, and I have to, you know, go through a lot to make sure it doesn't look big like on my head or too puffy or, you know, anything like that. So that is my honest review. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell at the bottom of the screen so that you can know every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.